Hey, it's Steve again with another bass video. So today we're going to be learning What I Want by Beach Fountain Chaos. And so basically that main riff that they do, the iconic main riff, the so that's what it is at the full tempo. So I'll slow that down for you. So it's kind of just what he does is like he'll do like so he starts on the 8th fret, and he's got a B flat going here, and then he goes up to the third, and then back to the root note, and then he goes to one fret above it, to like the fret where your middle finger is. So basically that's like this. So yeah, it's that simple. So I mean, and that's the first part. So you got that. You go then down to an A flat, which would be on the 7th fret, 6th fret, and then you basically play the same two notes that you just played right after it. Then you do that little run. So it's like, so you play the same two notes that you played up here, but with your middle finger up here now. So it's, and then you do the run, which would be, so that'll be 8, 7, 5, and then 8 again on the D string. So let's practice what we have so far. So we got, let me try it again. So we got, now the next part is just the way it leads back in to the riff again. So you just do exactly what you did up here, but up here now, minus the last note. So you just go. So altogether it'll be, so that's what you have. So you go. And then the last part, easy part, you go. So that's just a walk up from the 5th fret on the D string to the 8th fret on the D string, where the pattern repeats. So yeah, so that's how the intro goes, and then basically it's just the roots of the chords from there, which is just, I mean, you can throw in whatever you want, you know. You can kind of just like make it your own. I like to maybe even throw in like a, maybe even a little bass solo at the end. It's really up to you. It's your call. And so yeah, that's How to Play What I Want by Beach Mountain Chaos. Be sure to tune in next week and rate and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Also, share with your friends and send me your feedback if you think that this was helpful. If you don't think this was helpful, I mean, whatever you want to say, go ahead and drop it in the comments. I love any sort of feedback is appreciated. Thanks so much for watching.